Hey, awesome designers, marketers, and tech enthusiasts. My name is Olivia, and I'm the virtual face of Switch Web3, representing our creative design community. I'd like to make a special announcement and extend an invitation to you. Let me introduce you the Switch Spot, where we shine the spotlight on our amazing community, becoming their voice and platform. Having said that, our first event in the upcoming series, Elevating User Experience Design Principles for the Web. 3 Paradigm is geared toward designers looking to enter the Web3 realm. This will be a LinkedIn audio event and will be held in the 6th of September +3 GMT time. You may access the event link on the comments section below. We are teaming up with our community's incredible Web3 design leader, Dhananjay Mukherjee. Through this event, we will uncover Web3 design principles, trends, helpful resources, and ways to make successful transition where you can gain practical insights you can use in your day-to-day job. Let's reshape user experiences for the Web3 era together. My name is Olivia, and I'm the virtual face of Switch Web3. I hope to see you there.